Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about the dangers of the castor bean.
If you live in a Mediterranean or semi-tropical climate, you might have seen this plant growing quite often.
This is the castor oil plant, also known as Ricinus communis. As its name suggests, it is saturated with ricin, a potent toxin that would remind most people of the epic series Breaking Bad.
Castor plant is well known for its large star-shaped leaves that can vary in color from green to dark burgundy. It produces seed pods that are spiny and have small flowers on them. This plant also is very fast growing and adds a tropical feel to any landscape. Seed pods are usually a very bright red or orange color, but eventually dry out and end up looking black, thorny and spiky, and eventually they fall off to spill the beans inside of them.
The few beans that I poured in my hand from the jar are just specimens I found growing in the wild. They are relatively safe to handle as long as they're not cracked open.
I really don't mind these plants growing around. My concerns are that a child or a toddler might eat them, mistaking them for a sweet due to their shiny and colorful appearance. Also, a chemist or a person who understands chemistry can create a very deadly toxin that might be used badly. The castor plant is mainly used to extract an oil called castor oil that's used mostly medicinally. But it creates a side product which is one of the world's deadliest chemicals. Ricin is classified as a type 2 ribosome inactivating protein, which is also known as a holotoxin. It's composed of two different protein chains that form a heterodimeric complex. Ricin is also a lectin, a carbohydrate binding protein. Basically, this is how the two chains that form ricin look like. As far as I'm concerned, you won't get poisoned if you just lick or hold the seed in your mouth, since there's a hard outer casing. But you will only get the toxin poisoning if you have to chew it or swallow it. Although I don't advise doing none of these that I mentioned. Honestly, there isn't much you can do once you ingest the bean. You're basically cooked. So what you might do is just go to a polyclinic or to a hospital and they might treat you to a different type of poisoning which could also help. If you swallow ricin, do not force or induce vomiting. Just call 911 or 112 depending on your location and tell them what happened. Thank you for watching my video. Please drop a like and subscribe and stay safe.